Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain the steps to set up Skylight Digital Calendar and connect with your Wi-Fi network. Let's start. Download the Skylight app from the App Store or Google Play. You can also scan the QR code available on the screen to download this app. After download, install the app. Connect the power cable in the back of the device and a wall outlet. Wait for the Skylight Digital Calendar to power on and show the Wi-Fi settings. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear on the right side of the screen. Tap to choose your network from the list. Swipe up if the list is long. If your network does not appear, wait for 30 seconds and check it again. Enter your password. Connect to join the network. Once connected, a message will appear next to the Wi-Fi network you selected. Now, open the app and tap Let's Get Started button. Then, connect your Skylight Calendar with app by login to this account. Here type your phone number and a password for future login. Follow the on-screen instructions. In the Skylight app, create your unique Skylight Calendar email address. Once your email is created, enter the provided activation code directly on your calendar screen. If you are facing any trouble to set up your Skylight Digital Calendar or having any Wi-Fi connectivity issue, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching this video.